Hi, my name is Andrew Dimmer, and I'm the Developer Student Club lead at Oakland University. A couple weeks ago, I filmed an online instructional series showing professors how they can move their classes from in-person instruction to online instruction in light of COVID-19. Since then, I've had a number of questions from both professors and students alike asking how to do different things, and in this video, I'll be going over what the different screen layouts inside of Google Meetings do. Okay, let's talk about layouts on Google Meeting. Now, by default, Google will automatically try determining what they think the best layout for you should be based on the number of people that are on the call. And generally speaking, this may work, but sometimes it's not quite what you're looking for. For example, if you get too many people in the meeting, maybe it only shows one person that's currently talking. Or if you've got too few people on the meeting, then it will show everyone as tiles, but you really just want one person to be showing on the screen at a time, maybe because they're the ones that are presenting to the class in like a group presentation. We can go change how Google Meetings displays by going into our three dots down at the bottom bar just by hovering at the bottom of the screen. Again, three dots, and going into change layout. Now there are three main options that we have to go pick a layout. The first one is sidebar, so you have one main person presenting there and then other people on the side. Depending on the resolution of your screen, then this may or may not show everyone on the side, but generally speaking, you can fit more people on the screen by specifically clicking sidebar than if you just leave it at the auto. Sometimes for auto, it will show slightly larger pictures here, but just fewer of them. Whereas once you click sidebar, you can typically fit more people on over here, which works great if you have, let's say, a larger class and want to view as many people as you can at one time. Now let's say maybe it's a group discussion day and you want to be able to see a couple people at a time full screen, but it really doesn't matter for everyone else if you can see them. To do that, again, we can go hover over the bottom bar, three dots, and click change layout, and we're going to set it to tiled. This allows you to go see up to the top 4 people that most recently talked on the screen. So this is again great if you've got a group presentation, maybe it's a discussion section, and you're looking for a dialogue. This allows you to go see the 4 people who talked most recently. Finally, if you want to just have one person on the screen, again, maybe it's a group presentation and they're going through and talking about it directly, or maybe it's office hours and you're talking to one person at a time, we can go over to change layout and click spotlight, and now only one person shows up at a time. In general situations, all of these basically layouts in terms of who shows up where, if you have more people than can be shown on the screen, it's based on who last talked. Now let's say you want to pin one person's video. Let's say again it's office hours and you're looking at their work, but you don't necessarily want them changing off of that view if someone else asks a question as well. We can do what's called pin a video. To do that, and I'm just going to put back into the auto so that it's a clearer demonstration. So to do that, there's a couple different ways we can do it. Basically, you find either on the sidebar or on the main thing the person you're looking to pin, or if they're not even showing, we can go into participants and just click on their video there, and we can click that to go pin them. Note that once they're pinned, they're the ones showing on the screen, and even if someone else starts talking, it won't replace that view for you. To unpin someone, all we've got to do is go move your mouse, click the unpin button, and it automatically unpins them again. Finally, for layouts, let's say you want to make the video full screen. We can go through, go down to the 3 dots again, and we can enter full screen. Now let's say you want to exit full screen. We can do that simply again by heading down to the bottom bar, clicking on the 3 dots, and we can click exit full screen. I hope that this better helps you understand how layouts in Google Meetings work, so you can select the layout that works best for you based on the type of class session you're looking to run.